Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1935 three-window coupe. This car is over the top, freshly built, 1,000 miles on it. You can have a Ford or a Chevy, but I've never seen a Pontiac three-window, let alone a resto mod like this car. I got Fred, the owner here, is going to tell us a little bit about it. Man, what a car, Fred.
Thank you. Thank you. It rides nice, as good as it looks. We got a LS1 Corvette motor. 700R transmission, brand new, not a rebuild. Carbon fiber drive shaft and a Corvette rear end. You've got independent suspension front and rear. You got four-wheel disc brakes all the way around.
Beautiful.
And you got Headman headers with X exhaust.
Yeah, they're leading to...
Sounds great.
Sounds fantastic.
Doesn't kill you inside the car though, but you can hear it outside.
Oh yeah. You know what I love about this car? The modern technology with the old school styling. You know, you just can't beat it. Beautiful paint, gorgeous chrome and stainless. Sitting on a set of, looks like Corvette wheels or simulated Corvette wheels with a tri-5 spoke. Interior smells like rich leather. Super straight body, all steel. The body, the fenders, the boards, everything. Can you pop the front door? Power windows, power locks, door poppers, AC, power steering with a rack, Corvette rear. I did it tilt wheel. I did it coordinating steering wheel. It's a 3-spoke wrapped in leather. Alcantara headliner. I mean, it really smells like rich leather in here. Beautifully done. Yeah. So this is
Cut-off switch.
yeah, businessman's coupe. There's the cutoff switch. 1,000 miles on this car. Auto meter gauges, water, volts, everything's integrated on the right side along with the speedo. Man, this thing's beautiful. Can you pop the hood?
Absolutely.
Look at the spears. This thing is brand new. There she is. LS1, Edelbrock high-rise manifold with a coordinating LS1 box by MSD. It's I think it's called a power kit. And then you got a Demon carburetor. I love how they did the valve covers. It kind of looks like old school, you know, but you really can't tell what kind of motor it is. The coordinating air filter with a high flow element. Serpentine system up front, mini chrome alternator, mini air conditioning, compressor, power steering, monster aluminum radiator with coordinating electric fan that comes on fully by temperature. Here's the powder-coated Headman headers. They're long tube leading to an X pipe and then out Dynamax mufflers. The car sounds fantastic. Up front, you got the dual headlights, the integrated turn signals to really give it a nice clean look. Man, some car. And it's brand new. New all the way around. You fire it up?
Sure.
Let's hear it. We also have a fire extinguisher. It's already in here, ready to go. Leather package tray. Man, look how the door's shut. Can you pop this door again? Wow. Watch this. Do it again, Fred. I just shut it like gingerly, and look at that. Gorgeous lines and fitment of all the panels, custom running boards, Love how these spears kind of kick in and then integrate all the way back out. Match up with these spears here. Corvette rear. Fully independent. So you get the feel of a modern car, but the look of an old classic car.
Now windows are very fast and quick.
Wow.
Not
And
like
these are all
most front roads.
smoked. Those are factory smoked. They don't have a film on them. Man, that's pretty. Yeah, look at the operation. Beautiful felts. I mean, this car is done. Look how that shuts. Can you open this side of this motor?
Sure.
Look at the holding mechanism on here. No expense. Smooth firewall. Here's the LS1 timing control module I was telling you about. Yeah, the power steering reservoir leads right to a rack and pinion with aluminum A-arms and stuff. Sounds like a Corvette. Right?
Basically is.
Man, it is awesome. So unique. You know?
It's
Just different. Can we go for a ride?
Sure.
Let's go. Sure, these are LED lights back here. Man, look at that. This door opens wide too. Look how wide that opens. Man, just so unique. No expense build. Oh my God. Look at that. Man, what a car. You know, I've seen lots of cars. Hundreds, thousands of cars. Been selling cars for 30 years. Never seen anything like this. This is phenomenal.
Second time I got you. 57 olds too.
The olds too, you got me on that one. That was a good one. Blown away with that car too. Wow.
Ship's smooth as glass.
It does,
Ship's
right?
like my Mercedes.
It's freaking awesome. Not too much.
It feels good, right?
Feels great. Put the air on and burn it up. And it's got the 700 R4, so it's a overdrive training.
Overdrive.
1,060 miles.
1,060.
Yep. Just fantastic. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. Don't miss out on this one of one build. Visit our website. Probably took about 200 photos today. 631-339-0399.